Hello students, the year is approaching to an end and you all will be moving to the next class.
Generally, it has been an incredible year and we would like to let you know that we had a great time teaching you all.
We greatly appreciate our parents, guardians and students for their incredible patience and flexibility.
We understand the enormous responsibilities and challenges that virtual learning places on parents, guidance and students, as you have to create time, space, routine and support for learning at home.
Appreciate your extended support and look forward for the same.
Thank you. Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. This is Sonal Todkar, class teacher of 2nd Diamond.
This is Janvi Giri, class teacher of 2nd Opal and Ruby.
And this is Shraddha Bardia, class teacher of 2nd Topaz. Would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to all our parents on behalf of grade 2.
It was just a memorable year that flew in blink of an eye. However, it brought innovation in teaching learning process.
Truly, the teacher, the parent and the students were completely engrossed in this process.
It was really a high time when we all faced many difficulties like adjusting with curriculum, handling new technology, figuring out what will and what won't work throughout the year, hosting online sessions and events and so many things. So it's a big thank you to all of you for your great support.
The patience you showed in this academic year is really admirable.
We really express our gratitude for the continuous guidance you people gave us.
So, a big thank you all of you and expect the same cooperation next year.
इंसानियत की रोशनी गुम हो गई कहाँ, साए तो है आदमी के लेकिन आदमी है कहाँ। इन पंक्तियों के अनुसार आज समाज की हालत है, लेकिन ऐसे हालातों में भी मजबूत पकड़ रखकर आपने जो सहयोग प्रदान किया है, आप अभिभावकों ने इस विद्यालय के प्रति जो अपना कर्तव्य निभाया है, उस कर्तव्य के सामने मैं सबसे पहले नतमस्तक होता हूं।
Hello everyone, I am Pir Pasha Sheikh. I convey my sincere thanks to all the parents, to all the students for their continuous support in the academic year 2020 and 21. I thank all the parents on behalf of Poddar International School Sangli, the admin staff and everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Miss Hina Galchak. I am grateful to all parents, those who have supported us in this critical situation, even matching their timelines with us and guiding students for their betterment.
नमस्ते, मैं श्वेता कानेटकर। इस साल जब कोरोना महामारी की वजह से सब कुछ बंद हुआ, तब हम सोच में थे कि अपने बच्चों के पास कैसे पहुंचे, लेकिन जो भी तरकीबें हमने निकाली उसके लिए आपका सहयोग सबसे महत्वपूर्ण था और इसी सहयोग के लिए मैं आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। वैसे तो अपनों का शुक्रिया नहीं किया जाता, लेकिन इस महामारी के काल में सभी अपने साथ रहे, हम चाहे वो आभासी कक्षा के माध्यम से हो, हमने अपने बच्चों को बिल्कुल अपने सामने पाया और आपने पूरा सहयोग दिया। जो भी हमने बोला आपने किया। आप सभी का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद।
Warm greetings to all my dear parents. I am Rohini Jain. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all my dear parents for the immense and continuous support during this pandemic situation. Though the situation was pandemic, but here we have a strong bond between the parents, students, teacher and the school. So I hope that this bond will continue in the same upcoming years.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सूर्य प्रताप राठौर। इस वीडियो के माध्यम से मैं आप सभी अभिभावक बंधुओं का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि जैसा कि हम जानते हैं इस वैश्विक महामारी के दौर में बहुत ही मुश्किल था विद्यालय को चलाना और इस आभासी कक्षा के माध्यम से सभी विद्यार्थियों तक पहुंचना। लेकिन इस मुश्किल क्षणों में भी आपने जिस तरह से न सिर्फ सहायता की, बल्कि आपने समय समय पर हमें उन कुछ मुख्य बिंदुओं पर हमें आपने लगातार मार्गदर्शन किया, जिससे हम सभी सफल हो पाए हैं और ये जो सत्र 2020-21 था ये बहुत ही अच्छी प्रकार से समाप्त होने की राह पर है।
Hello everyone, I am Ms. Rajashri Patel. I'd like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our parents as well as students for your continuous support in this year. I hope the same thing will be continued in the next academic year. Thank you.
I am Meghna Patil. I am here to express gratitude on behalf of our management and school that you have given a good cooperation for this academic years, and we hope the same for the future. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I, Amol Pandav, grade 6 English teacher, is here to express my gratitude to you, all of you, parents and students. Year 2020-21, it was really challenging. We were in the pandemic COVID-19, but still we managed our lectures and school. This entire 360-degree change we have seen in this year. Entire teaching learning process, it was turned into physical to virtual. Initially we all struggled, but we teachers and our students, they supported us great. All students were very active and techno-savvy. Again, I thank all of you for your support and kind cooperation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I, Ms. Madhuri Kulkarni, would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for being the ray of sunshine during this darkness of pandemic. Dear parent, a minor setback we assure to you to come with a major comeback. And yes, we all as a team could do it. You as a parent, the students and we as the teachers during this pandemic put all our efforts together and cherish the memories of the teaching learning process through virtual and gave certain great memories to our kids through the virtual scenario. And for all the support throughout the year where we could see that we couldn't keep our students away from the teaching learning process, it was we and you together which made it as a success. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shubhangi Mani. I want to appreciate the efforts taken by all the parents. I want to thank everyone for your great support. As we know, in this pandemic situation, we felt all the things were a bit difficult, but with your support, we made it possible. Being a parent also, you played an important role in a student's academics. So our teamwork and your cooperation worked hand in hand, and we made it possible.
Dear parents and students, it's your attitude, not your aptitude, will determine your altitude. So, we would like to express our deep gratitude for your generous support and attitude towards virtual and physical learning during this difficult period. I extend my deep gratitude to all of you for your love and support.
Hello everyone, I am Anil Sontake. Gratitude makes sense of our past and brings peace for today and creates a vision for tomorrow. With this note, I am here to express my gratitude on behalf of Udar Management, P.I. Sangli, Principal Sir and all grade 9 teachers. Towards all the parents, students, thank you for your valuable support.
Hello everybody, I am Mrs. Varsha Koi. I would like to thank all the parents and the students for the complete support and cooperation during the academic year 2021. During this year, grade 9 students have attended the classes regularly and completed their tasks on time. So this was all possible because of the complete support of the parents and the cooperation of the students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Zubeda Pathan. I am privileged to get an opportunity to thank you all. This pandemic has taught us many things, positive and negative as well. But one positive thing which I have learned from you, dear parents, is cooperation and support. The cooperation and support which you had given us means a lot to us.
Thank you all the parents and students.
Hello, I am Dr. Kshitija Bhate, the school counselor. I take privilege in thanking you all Being a co-scholastic subject teacher, I wasn't sure how everyone would react and respond to my classes. You all and the students responded so well to the social emotional learning. The classes went on very well. मुझे ऐसे लगा भी नहीं था कि इतना रिस्पॉन्स मिलेगा. Even for the parents workshop, your response was tremendous. और इन सब के लिए मैं आपकी बहुत बहुत आभारी हूँ. Now get ready for academic year 21-22 as we have already conquered the monstrous hurdle that was online classes, and now we all are ready for online as well as offline classes. And once again, thank you for all your support. Have a good day.
कहते हैं हम शुक्रिया आप सबको, बिना आपके ये अधूरा सपना. कहते हैं हम शुक्रिया आप सबको, बिना आपके ये अधूरा सपना, अधूरा सपना, अधूरा सपना. किसको पता था ऐसा भी होगा, बच्चों बिना